It's a common scene at any mall across the country.
That is so cute.
Parents scurrying around looking for that perfect gift for their little girl or boy. Well, this year, Playmates Toys, in partnership with World Vision, has released a new line of dolls they're hoping will be a hit this Christmas season.
We're changing the world.
Hearts for Hearts dolls are an innovative, interactive way for girls here in North America to learn about girls in need all over the world. World Vision's corporate development advisor, Sarah Lewis, explains.
When you look at the dolls, when you look at the 6 individual dolls, all of them tell a story, and all of them are based on a real-life girl. So all of the girls are fictional, but they are, as I said, all based on a real-life girl. And it's a wonderful way of incorporating a learning tool at the same time as something that's fun as well. And it was a bit of a different avenue for us to take. We are strongly associated with World Vision Gifts, with the gift catalog. So as an extension of that, something that you can buy your child for Christmas and include them as well.
That's why Tamara Barclay bought her 5-year-old daughter, Isabel, a Heart for Heart doll recently.
As a family, we're supporters of World Vision, and I know people who work there, and we get their flyers and pamphlets. So I was really interested when I learned through World Vision that they were partnering with the Heart for Heart girl dolls. And it was really sort of fun when we found out, because Isabel likes dolls and everything's sort of girly girl. So it was really neat going onto the website and learning more about the program and the partnership that they're doing with it to support girls in other countries.
That will change the world.
Once you purchase a doll, you're able to visit the Heart for Heart website. It's there that parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and guardians are encouraged to walk their child through the different activities and stories related to their doll on the site, helping the little girl expand her worldview in the process.
Well, it's provided a nice teaching moment, honestly, and it was really interesting when we were going through and looking at the different dolls that were available and learning about where in the world they were from. And Isabel actually likes stories like that and questions about that, so we actually brought out an old globe, a very old globe, and she was very interested in knowing, well, where are these little girls from? So where's this country, Belarus? And we showed it to her on the map. And it sparked other questions as well. Well, what do the children there do? And do they go to school as well? And who do they live with? So the story behind this doll is one who's got a very different lifestyle than we're fortunate enough to have. And it's provided some jumping off points to talk about different cultures and children in the world that are faced with other circumstances.
And different stories, of which each doll has one. So Sarah, tell me about one particular story of one of these little girls.
Sure. Well, there's Consuelo, who represents a 10-year-old girl from Mexico City. And her story is that her family owns a bakery. And every day, Consuelo sees children in the streets in Mexico City who are very hungry. So with the help of her mother, she sets up a restaurant in the back alley of the bakery and her parents' business in order to help these little children and to feed them. And she's based on a real-life girl. So, you know, as a mom, I think that's a very compelling story to tell your daughter. In order to help her understand how other children in other parts of the world are living.
But let's face it, for any little girl, having a doll that they can play with and fuss over is still just as important. So Isabel, tell me why you chose Lillian.
Because she's really beautiful, and I like her earrings.
Dolls are very striking, and the packaging is very catchy and eye-grabbing.
And very diverse. I'm even convinced that one happens to have a slight resemblance to a particular reporter you might know. But so far, these 6 little dolls have been a hit.
It's been incredibly positive. We found that the feedback that we've been getting has been very, very positive. People are very pleased to have this opportunity to purchase something for that special little girl in their life and use this as a fun way of interacting with her.
Heart for Hearts dolls can be found at all Walmart locations, and a portion of the proceeds goes to World Vision Canada. In Mississauga, Ontario, Magdalene John, 100 Huntley Street.